I'm going to take a little different detour today, do a little work on the interior. This is the driver's side door panel. And we've got some kind of crud on that, not quite sure what that is, but we'll hit this up, get her cleaned up. See, we've got quite a bit of work to do there. Got to get the door handle back on and just get things tidied up. So we're going to hit it with a little simple green for starters and a brush. See if we can get all the stuff off. That cleaned up nicely. Got the weather strip tidied up and the gap between the door and the weather strip. Cleaned the door panel off, armor-alled everything, got the door handle back on. Now I'm working down here on the sill plate, and it's got some overspray on it. It's like a hard rubber piece, a molded piece. And you can see the overspray. It's like white paint. And so I've just been working with some lacquer thinner and some Scotch-Brite, and it's starting to clean up. So I'm gonna keep working on this, see if I can get the whole thing tidied up. Looks like I got some work to do on this carpet too. I'm not quite sure why the seat belts have a little bit of rust on the buckles. May have been some moisture in here. That's underneath the seat. So we've got some cleaning to do. Reorganize stuff under there. Looks like I got a little tidying up there. Get the pedal back in place. Retuck these carpets, shampoo everything. Looks like it's kind of faded, so I don't know if I can perk that up, but we'll try. And the sill plate is getting there. That's what I've got done so far. Oh, I got a piece of crud on there. There we go. So that's looking nice. At least a lot better than having to buy new ones. But a lot of cleaning yet to be done. Let's see if I can get that carpet perked up.